Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create video animations in Canva for beginners in 2025. We are going to use the latest Canva tools to make your text and the graphics come alive in just a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on canva.com. Here, you just have to create your free account with the help of your email address. On the home page of Canva itself, you are going to see a bunch of different options like presentation, social media, video, etc. So you just have to basically click on any of the tabs for which you want to create this particular video animation. Most probably you would want to create it for YouTube videos or Instagram reels or for presentations. So you just have to, let's say, select the option of video here. Now it is going to ask you whether the video is a landscape or in the horizontal. So you just have to select the format or the type of your video. After that, it is going to automatically redirect you here in the video canvas. Now, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply go to the designs. Here in the designs, you are going to see a bunch of different designs which you can basically click on. Then you can make changes into it and use for your own videos. Now, if you don't want to do it, then you just have to go to the elements section. In the elements section, you can either type the element that you want. For example, let's say I type cartoon over here. So as you can see, it has shown me a bunch of different cartoon graphics. So you can click on the see all option in order to check out these graphics. Now, first of all, you just have to click on that particular element which you want to add here on your canvas, and it will come something like this. Now that you have your element ready on your canvas, in order to animate it, simply go to the animate option here on the top. Now from the left hand section, you just have to select the animation that you want. Now as you can see, it is going to show you all of the previews here on top of the element that you have selected. So I really liked this particular animation, so I'm going to be selecting it. Now underneath the animation, you are also going to see a bunch of different further options relating to the animation, like you can increase or decrease its speed, or whether you want it on enter or on exit or on both. So you can select it, and you can also select its uh, child animation, I would say, which works similar to the animation that you have selected. So you can also select this one. After that, you can just simply scroll down and take a look at bunch of different animations, and you can basically put them on your text or on your element. Now similarly, you can go to the text section. You can add the text over here. After typing your text, you just have to select the same animate option. Then you can select any of the animations and it will work something like this. Now that you have created your canvas, simply download this particular format. Should be MP4, so you can download it in the MP4 and start using it on your social media platform. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.